Now what are we going to talk about?
My friends.
Really? Who are your friends?
Named Jasmine, Miranda Kayla, Courtney Ryan, and my cousins, triplets, and Jacob.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What are the triplets' names?
Jack, Leah, and Emma.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Do you have a boyfriend?
Yeah.
Who is your boyfriend?
Jackson.
What?
Jackson!
Aren't you too little to have a boyfriend?
No, I am a big boyfriend!
Oh, jeez. Is your brother your friend?
Yeah.
He is?
He's my little brother.
He's your little brother?
Yeah, I think so.
Oh, you think so?
Yes.
Yeah? Are you a big helper?
Yeah!
What do you help Mommy do?
I don't know.
Do you help me take care of him?
Yeah!
Yeah.
And I help him paint.
Really?
Yes.
Okay.
Can we paint today?
No?
Why?
I thought you wanted to make movies.
But I do. First, we need paint.
Oh.
But Mommy, can we put the stickers on?
Wow. A little excited?
Yeah, I am.
Are you done?